So hello everyone, this is another video. Here we'll practice three things in Excel, which are very important and often asked in interviews and are very useful tools as well. So they are VLOOKUP function, XLOOKUP function, and index match function. These three functions. So starting off with VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP basically is a function which is used to find the values if you give some uh, information. For example, here we are trying to find the name of the student. We will find the student name from student ID. Okay, so let's do it. Let's try it. So the function is VLOOKUP. Now this is the lookup value. Let's say we are trying to find the name Pallavi Yadav. So what we will do, we will look for a student ID, which is S0009. So we will just write the cell number A2, and then we will mention the sheet name. So the sheet name is students. How do we check the sheet names? Just look here, students, right? So we'll write students. Okay, and then we put an exclamatory mark just to show that the sheet name is done. Now the next thing that we will write is we will reference the column. So we want from column A to you put a colon. Suppose we want from column A to column X. Okay, so column X, it's highlighted. You can see it's highlighted till here, till column X, and then we write the column number in which student name is there. So column number, this is column number 1, this is column number 2, this is column number 3. So we want to find the student name, so we will just write 2, and then we write true for approximate match, false for exact match. We want exact match, so we will write false. See, so it's very necessary function and it's very easy to use as well. Now XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP is basically almost like VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP can only look for the values in the right. So for example, if we are trying to find class, section, or anything, so all the values are at the right. So we can use VLOOKUP here. But suppose if you want to find the student ID with student ID from student name, right? So for that you would use XLOOKUP, because XLOOKUP can look anywhere. It can look on the left or on the right. So let's try for XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, and then again we have to look for the lookup value. So we'll use the same example, A2, which was the student ID, and then we'll write the sheet name students, and here we have to write the column which we have the information of. Like we have the information of student ID, right? So we will just write A colon A, which is this student ID, and we have to find the student name. So again we will write the sheet name students, B colon B. Okay, we have the information of student ID, we have to find the student name, and then we have to write the condition. What if it's not found? Then we will simply write not found, and then we can get the information of student. Similarly, now what is index match? So let's say we want to find the contact number from column S. Okay, this is the column and we want to find the contact number. So how we'll do it? We'll use index and then we'll give the sheet name, which is students, and then we'll press exclamatory mark. We'll type exclamatory mark S:S, which is the contact number column, and then we will write match student match student ID students A, and then we have to write we have to find the exact match, so we'll press 0. Yeah, so we got the information here. So these are very important functions. So what happens, what index does is it returns the contact number from column S at the row, and what match function does is match functions find the row number where student ID in A2 appears. So this is pretty much it, guys. You can use the same formula to find different values here. Now let's say if you want to find the number, contact number of student ID with student ID A2. So you can simply write the number of the column, which is 18, which is like S. So this is column number 18. And that's it. Okay, student ID, students A tends to X. No. Wait, there is some mistake here. Oh, that's the parent name. S is like 19. So you just have to write here 19. Now you will get the contact number. So XLOOKUP can also be used similarly, and index match, I already told you.